Hi friends, it's Amy and I'm your sewing teacher. I'm here this week to do another mail call with you. I have a huge haul this week of things that are sewing related and I'd like to share them with you. So please stick around while you get to check out all of the things I bought for my sewing practice this week. If this is the kind of content that you like, please give it a thumbs up below. And if you haven't already subscribed, subscribe below also. That little bell beside will notify you when I post videos on Sundays. Now let me start by saying I have pre-opened all of these packages because I wanted to skip that part with you, but I haven't looked inside yet. So the responses that you get from me will be my genuine responses. Now I did purchase all of these, so I know what to expect, but I wanted you to be able to see just how happy or sad I am with the product. I don't even know where to start. I'm super excited. Maybe I'll start with the one that's not sewing related. This month, if you don't already know, this month is Pride Month, and I didn't have anything that I could wear daily for Pride Month, so I decided that I wanted to purchase some earrings. So I have a viewer who is a fantastic maker, and her website is www.bassmakes.com, and she made some fantastic Pride earrings. And I purchased a set for my daughter and a set for myself. And as a free gift, I received a third set of earrings. So we're gonna give that third set of earrings to my daughter's roommate. So let me share them with you. They come in this beautiful little neat cardboard packaging. And I have a pair on right now, so you can see how cute these teardrops are. Now she had different shapes and I decided I wanted the teardrop because I had seen it on someone else and I really liked it. So these are wonderfully packed. You can see these are the dangly ones. These are the post ones. And she has this beautiful packaging with her card and it's covered in plastic for hygienic reasons. The next thing I want to share with you is some vinyl that I've been waiting for. I pre-ordered this vinyl in March and it went in with their April printing. So they get it printed and then it gets shipped back to them and then they have to cut it and then they ship it to us. So I ordered this in March. It's the first time I ever had done a pre-order. So I really had no idea how long that kind of thing takes. And I did my order. So just so that you know, don't pre-order unless you have lots of time to wait. So it's usually about 10 to 14 weeks waiting period for most of the pre-orders that I have been researching. But let me share this with you. Now, oh my goodness. This is from barenecessityfabrics.com. It's packaged really well. I'm having trouble getting the packaging off. Okay, so I'm going to share with you, oh wow. Okay, so this is the pie. So that was the first one. This is the second one that I ordered, the geometric. I ordered a full meter of both of these because I really wanted to make sure that I could get an essence of what the vinyl was like so that when I do my next pre-order, I know exactly what I'm getting. And I really like this vinyl. It isn't a super heavy weight like the one that I showed you a couple videos ago. It is a fleece back, not woven back. And it does have some firmness and stability to it, but it would be more of a faux leather than a vinyl. And it would be definitely a thinner based faux leather. So very pleased with those two prints. You can see how lovely and crisp each of these lines are. And that's really important to me to make sure that it is a quality print. And I really like that. The next one's in this cute little paper envelope. And this comes from Kwame Home Crafts. Oh, I know what this is. This is so exciting. These are my leather tags for my bags. And I'm so excited to see these. Oh no, this is not the leather tags. These are I bought these off of Etsy. These are needles for my cover stitch machine. So these needles are special. They are ELX 705 needles. They are specifically for cover stitch machine. And I bought a set in ballpoint and I bought a set in regular. And the best price I found was through Kwame Home Crafts on Etsy, and that's out of Alberta. And I can't wait to put them in the cover stitch because the ones that are in there right now are skipping a little. So we're gonna give it a try. Now these are the labels. I'm so excited. Okay, so this little packaging here, it says packed with love from us to you. And these are my new leather labels. They come from the Spotted Zebra engraving group, and that website will also be below in the description. And it is spottedzebra.ca. They are Canadian. Like I said, I do try to go Canadian as much as I can. And I got 2 sets of leather labels. Oh my goodness. They are awesome. Okay. Look how pretty that little leather label is. So I got those ones, and that's black with the silver font. And I got these little super tiny ones for wallets. They're natural colored with black. And I'll put a better picture up so you can see it, an up close picture, but so pretty. And I'm so excited to have these. I cannot wait. And they put these beautiful little pre-cut holes in there so that I can use rivets to attach them to the bags. Yay! I'm so excited. I can't wait to use them. Okay, so I did a video not too long ago about AliExpress, and I was waiting for one more AliExpress package and it didn't arrive. It came later than all of the rest. I was waiting for this. I'm so excited to unveil my AliExpress purchase of, oh, look at this. Oh, it's beautiful. It's beautiful. This is 5 meters of rainbow strapping for bags. It's so pretty. Yay! Look at how pretty this is. It's gorgeous, and it's thick, and it's cotton. Oh, it's beautiful. I won't have to do anything to these except for put a bag end on it and put an adjuster on it. I'm so pleased with that. Oh, lovely. Oh, it's so exciting. Okay, well, I really like. So next I have, oh, this is something I purchased off of Amazon. So I got these because I was watching on Facebook on the bag making groups, and people had them and I didn't know such a thing existed. So what these are is these are little teethy clips. You can get them in all different sizes and in all different finishes. And I will show you what it does. So it goes on the end of a belt or a strap, and you squish that on and the teeth grab on. Probably use a little bit of glue, and it just gives you that really nice finish on the end of that strap. And don't forget, there are lots of bag makers websites that carry this type of thing. But because I didn't know what to expect, I did go with the cheapest by going with Amazon for now. I did buy that base silver because I just have so much hardware in the base silver. But when it's time for me to buy these types of ends, I will probably go to an Emmeline bags website or to another bag website, hardware website, and purchase them from there to support some local small online businesses. Please, if you have a wonderful online store that you enjoy, it doesn't matter what kind of sewing notion they sell, but please, in the comments below, let me know, where do you shop online? It doesn't matter if you're in the UK, it doesn't matter if you're in Australia, it doesn't matter if you are in India or if you are in Canada or the United States. It doesn't matter to me because there are viewers from all over the world on this channel, and we all would love to share some of our resources. I belong to a group on Facebook, there is a woman who works out of Oshawa, and her name is Sonia, and she has a fabric company, and Sonia is fantastic. I do get a lot of my fabric from her. I have for years. She is underpriced and carries quality goods, so I really like it. Now, she has not just her fabric group, but she also has a group where she sells off t-shirts, because the children's clothing that she makes are made out of t-shirts, and she turns them into dresses. So I wanted some panels for some upcoming projects, some children's wear projects, and also for some backpacks. And I'm gonna laminate these, so it'll be a laminated cotton, so it'll still be waterproof. But I think this is a little bit more economical way of doing this. So I bought these t-shirts off of her group on Facebook. These are really cute. Oh, this is the first time I've ever purchased t-shirts from her. Look how cute this little one is. Oh, that's so cute. So the idea is to take these panels off the t-shirts and use the panels when making backpacks for children, or I'm going to be taking these t-shirts and making them into jumpers and dresses and all sorts of cute things, and really some awesome panels. And this is a cheaper way to get your hands on some panels that you can use in your sewing. You can take t-shirt panels like this, and you can interface them with a fleece, and you can put them into a hoodie. You can, like I said, put them in backpacks, make bags out of them. You can laminate them and make it into a laminated cotton so it's waterproof. Or you can just take the t-shirt and you can turn the t-shirt into another piece of garment, another garment. So these are really fantastic. I'm so excited. There's so many really great things here that I can use when making other things. So exciting. And there's some things here my son really likes, so I can make some stuff for him. And the last one, nice and bright. These are great. Wow, thank you, Sonia. These are awesome. I'm so excited to use them. I have always mentioned the Facebook destashing groups, and I really think that every single sewist should belong to a destash group, because as you see by my room and any other sewist that you speak to, fabric shopping is an addiction. Hardware shopping is an addiction. And we probably don't have enough time in the day to make all of the things we plan on making. But I plan on trying. But anyway, whatever I don't use, I can always take to school. My students would love to benefit from some of these things. But those destash groups are really fantastic place to get new things that other people find that they don't need it anymore. So I did have a couple things I wanted to share with you. In my last video, I made a sun hat for my daughter out of some astronomy fabric. And so I wanted to share with you the other astronomy fabric that I got at the same time. This was a destash from a woman local to me here in Ontario. And I got to go pick it up. I didn't have to have it mailed to me. It was really great. But you can see how beautiful these are. They're very beautiful fabrics. And I got a deal. So what am I gonna say? For sure, it's great. Sometimes when you're on a destash group, you're able to find things in bulk. So something happens and somebody is no longer making a certain product, then you can sometimes get lots of stuff for a great deal. So I'm going to show you a picture right now, and what you're looking at is fold over elastic, or FOE. And fold over elastic, let me show you something up close here. I'll use a small one. Fold over elastic is just what it says. So it looks like regular elastic, but you can see there is this fine line down the middle. This elastic is meant to go over the edge of fabric and then to be sewn. So it's got lots of stretch. This fold over elastic can be used in things like lingerie. It can be used in underwear. It can be used in bag making as a bias tape, and it can replace bias tape in many instances. So I got all of the stack that you just saw in the picture. I'll show you again. I got this whole stack for $25. Now that is a deal and a half. I was super lucky. I happened to see it minutes after she posted it, and I was very happy that I managed to get that. So that's what I got in the mail in the last couple weeks, and I wanted to share that with you and show you my response and just how happy I am with everything. I am so excited that I'm not excited that the end of the school year is here, because I miss school and I miss my students, but I am so excited to get onto this bag making that I've been planning for a couple months. So, and I'm going to share that journey with you. Don't forget that I now do lives the last Saturday of every month at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Please join me and chat with us. I am just working out how all of those live things work, so it might not be on multiple cameras yet, but I'm going to get there so that eventually we can sew live together. And also don't forget that I have started a Patreon account. If you would like to become a patron of this video, of me and my YouTube channel, please feel free to donate a small amount of money every month. Please check out the 2 tiers that I have. 50% of the money that I make on Patreon will go towards my classroom, and 50% will go towards making these wonderful videos for you. So if you wanted to go over to Patreon and check that out, I would really appreciate it. And I want to say thank you so much for joining me again this week and for making me a part of your journey. This is sometimes my students' journey, it's sometimes my children's journey, it's sometimes my journey, but it's always your journey. Thank you so very much, and we'll see you next Sunday.